Have you ever wondered how the world's most complex jigsaw puzzles are crafted? Imagine a factory in the heart of Germany, where the magic of puzzle making unfolds in a mesmerizing ballet of precision and ingenuity. In this hidden gem, enormous sheets of cardboard are meticulously layered and pressed, creating the perfect canvas. Skilled artisans then design intricate images, from serene landscapes to bustling cityscapes, which are printed in stunning high definition. The real marvel begins as a gargantuan steel die, outfitted with over 1,000 razor-sharp blades, descends like a guillotine to cut the image into a labyrinth of pieces. Each piece is then rigorously inspected by both human eyes and advanced sensors to ensure flawless interlocking. This symphony of craftsmanship and technology culminates in a box that promises hours of challenge and joy, making each puzzle a testament to human ingenuity and meticulous attention to detail.